You want to invest your hard-earned money, but you're not sure where to start and how to go about it without losing all your money. You know it's the key to building wealth, financial freedom. It's like one of the solutions to life because, who doesn't want to make money in their sleep? Welcome to my channel, everyone. My name is Michelle Hung from The Sassy Investor, your go-to platform for everything to do with personal finances, investing, and money mindset. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the 3 pillars that will make you a successful investor. And it's also the key to not losing everything in the stock markets. So make sure you watch till the very end because there is a sassy bonus tip for you that will reassure you that you won't lose everything in the stock markets. The first pillar is having the right mindset. This is super important because you have to understand that you are your own worst enemy when it comes to investing. Okay, it is not Wall Street, it is not Bay Street, it is not hedge funds, it is you because you control your money, what it's invested in, and most importantly, you're the one who controls what to buy, what to sell, when to buy, and when to sell your investments. When the stock markets turn sour, and they will because that's just how it works, or when you see something that gives you a FOMO effect, this is when you have to fight the urge to make irrational decisions. Naturally, we as human beings want to run for the hills when the stock market tanks, or buy up everything when things are good. This is how people end up buying high and selling low. Losses locked, classic. You have to learn to fight your emotions during these crazy and turbulent times, and that's how you will persevere and make money. The second pillar is education. Education equates to knowledge. Knowledge builds confidence. When you know what's happening to your money and how everything can work in your favor, you'll know how to manage your investments and your emotions. More importantly, you'll know the right type of products and portfolios that you should be invested in. And you'll know what is suitable for you so that you don't end up in something that's beyond your risk level, or you end up in something that doesn't produce enough risk, which means you'll end up selling yourself short on returns over the long run. That can add up to hundreds of thousands of dollars over several decades. The last pillar is execution. You can't just have your money sitting there on the sidelines. Nothing's gonna happen. You're not gonna make anything. Profits and earnings will not wait for you. So the longer you sit around and wait for the right time, the longer that you procrastinate or trying to time the markets, you'll end up missing in action. Especially if your money is just sitting in a measly savings account earning like 0.2% per year. That is not how wealth is built. Your money loses value to inflation and you miss out on wealth building opportunities. The longer that your money stays invested in the stock markets, notice how I say stay invested, very important when it comes to investing, the more money that you will make, no matter what happens in the markets. Remember, so long as you are shelling out your wallet, paying for things, making companies rich, companies are making money. And when companies make money, the owners, investors also make money. And lastly, here is a sassy bonus tip for you to help with that investing mindset of yours. You don't have to worry about how your stock market's going to zero. The markets have recovered from every recession, every depression, every election, every pandemic. Never in the history of the stock markets has it ever gone to zero, nor will it ever, unless of course something crazy happens like a zombie apocalypse. Okay, if that's the case, none of what I'm saying will matter. So you don't have to worry about your money going to zero so long as if you are diversified enough. And that's part of being educated. You have to know what to invest in. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below for more weekly videos like this, and I will see you later.